How to use dark mode in Google Docs. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs on your Chrome browser. After you've opened Chrome, simply open Google Docs. Then in New tab, search Google Docs Dark Mode in the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome. Then at the top, click on Add Extensions. After your extensions are added, go to Google Docs. After you're in the Google Docs page, reload the page. After that, you'll find your Google Docs in dark mode. And if you want to change your page color, you can click on File at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on File, you will find different options. In here, simply scroll down. Scroll down and click on Page Setup. In here, click on Page List at the top. After you've clicked on Page List, scroll down and click on Background Color and make it more dark color as you want. After you've chose your color, press on OK at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to use dark mode in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.